Hello everyone, welcome to Rasayan Academy. So guys, your CSI NET June 2020 or November 2020 examination result is out. So you can find out the cutoff. You can also find your rank as well. So basically the cutoff as well as the rank sheet is given on the CSI NET HRDG website. You can directly type CSI HRDG on the Chrome and then you can open up this website over here. So what you're going to see directly from this website is your news and announcements corner, and you will be able to check cutoff of the joint CSIR UGC national eligibility test for junior research fellowship, which was held over these dates. So basically it is a combined test, as you can it is a combined cutoff, as you can see that we were expecting. So for your 30 November examination also, this is a combined cutoff. So now what you see, the junior research fellowship section is different and the lecturership section is different. So basically this is for your lecturership only, that is your LS net, and your cutoff for the unreserved category, or you call it the general category, is come out to be 45.45. So if you multiply this by 2, that is going to give you marks. Okay, so just multiply all of these numbers by 2 and then you will get the cutoff marks that you had to cross. Okay, so you can see the score from the score from your NTA score also, you can match from there. So for the junior research fellowship, you have got the unreserved or the general category 50.50. That is, you multiply this by 2 and you are going to get 101 marks, 101 marks for the cutoff of your JRF. So if you have got more than 101, you are, or let's say you have got 101, so you are going to clear the JRF, and the rank also you will be able to see. So all of you guys, category wise, you can check out all of your marks over here, and definitely just multiply this by 2 and you are going to get your marks. Now also, if you want to know your rank, ye dekho, result of the joint CSIR yes, so result of the joint CSIR UGC net for JRF as well as for lecturership or assistant professor held on all of these dates combined. So combined rank sheet is given over here. For example, this is your roll number. Okay, what you're going to do is, from your mail that you have got from your CSIR, you're just going to type Control F and just press the number over here and you see the rank. Okay, so control find, type your roll number over here and then you'll be able to get your rank. So just you can do that. All right, so this is it guys, and I hope that you will be able to check your rank as well as your roll number. These ranks are for your JRF, CSI and NET, and if you move down the sheet over here, you're going to get the LS also. Okay, so yeah, you just have to control find and enter. So yeah, this is your JRF UGC net. The funding will be coming from UGC as it is mentioned, and yeah, you can just, yeah, you can visit the lecturership assistant professor net also. You don't have to find your rank over here, just Control F and copy paste and paste, press enter. You are going to get it somewhere over here. So if you are qualified, you will know by the cutoff, and also you will be able to know by the rank. Okay, so guys, all the best to you. For those who are going to give the GATE examination tomorrow, so I know कि बहुत अजीब टाइम पे ये रिज़ल्ट आया है, because tomorrow is your examination, but I just want to tell you all कि your scores have already been declared to you, so you kind of had an idea that what will be your result. So it's okay if even if you are not cross, या फिर आप 2-3 मार्क के लिए भी रह गए हो guys, you can still try and you're already there, you're almost there, right? So I just want to encourage all of these students who are going to give the GATE examination tomorrow. All the best to all of you. Very very congratulations to those who have qualified their JRF as well as the नेट एग्जामिनेशन. सो डोंट थिंक गाइज कि नेट एग्जाम क्लियर हुआ तो क्या हुआ, हमें तो JRF क्लियर करना था गाइज. दिस इज़ वन स्टेप. ओके, सो दिस इज़ वन स्टेप दैट यू हैव क्वालिफाइड. अब इसके बाद JRF का स्टेप है, बहुत जल्दी मिलने वाला है, राइट? सो येस, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट. सो आई विल सी यू वेरी वेरी सून. बाय एवरीवन.